From the shop floor to the customer's door, digital transformation encourages us to reimagine what we want to achieve. Smart products and empowered technicians can deliver proactive service. Insights provided by product and device data allow rapid remote diagnosis and efficient repairs. With product as a service, you can improve your customers' business outcomes while increasing your own margins and competitiveness. A 360-degree view of customer engagement transforms relationships into revenue. From configuration to final contract and throughout the product lifecycle, AI-powered tools help you make deals and support customers. Move beyond automation with solutions that connect products, processes, and people. Shop floor systems powered by embedded technology, AI, cloud computing, and mixed reality augment what you already have, enhancing productivity and expanding the horizons of innovation. Digital feedback makes supply chains intelligent and autonomous. Sensors, networks, and ambient intelligence can optimize inventory and logistics to get the right product to the right customer at the right time, profitably. The limitless power of the cloud gives you the freedom to innovate faster, building a sustainable future on a foundation of accurate, real-time insights. This is an opportunity to create what's next and what's right for your customers and your business. Manufacturers are creating the future. Using technology, you can address the growing skills gap, attracting, training, and retaining the next generation of digital natives to reimagine manufacturing and shape our sustainable future.